Welcome to Centum exercise. Okay, so today we continue with the question number 2 in exercise 1.1 class 12 Ncert. Okay, so show that the relation R in the set of real numbers defined as R equals set A comma B such that A less than or equal to B square is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Okay, this is not an equivalence relation. Okay, so let's check it. Okay. So let's check for reflexive. Okay. So x comma x should belong to the given range. Okay. Let's take 1 comma 1. Okay. So 1 less than or equal to 1 square. So 1 less than or equal to 1. So which is correct. Okay. So we'll take some other value. 2 comma 2. Okay. 2 less than or equal to 2 square. That is 4. This is also true. This is also true. Okay. So let's take some fractional number because the range is real numbers. Let's take some fractional number. For example, 1 by 2. Okay. So for 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 less than or equal to 1 by 4. Okay. But 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 4. Okay. So this is false. So this is not. So this is not reflexive. Okay. So let's check for symmetric. Okay. So for example 1 comma 2. Okay. So 1 less than or equal to 2 square, that is 4. This is true. Okay. Let's check for 2 comma 1. Okay. 2 less than or equal to 1 square. Okay. So this is false. Okay, so this is not symmetric. Okay, now let's check for transitive. Okay, okay, so we'll take 3 comma 2. Okay, so 2 comma 3 by 2. Okay, so 3 less than or equal to 4. This is correct. Then 2 less than or equal to 9 by 4. Okay, what is 9 by 4? Greater than 2. Okay, so this is also true. Okay, now we'll check for 3 comma 3 by 2. Okay, so 3 less than or equal to 9 by 4. Okay, so this is 2 point something. Okay, this is 3. So this is false. So this is not. So 3 less than or equal to 9 by 4. So 9 by 4 is 2 point something, but this is 3. So this is not transitive. So the second question is check whether the relation R defined in the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as R equals A comma B such that P equals A plus 1 is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Okay, let's check. So let's check for reflexive. Okay, so for example, we take any value from the given set. So A equals 5. So then B equals 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Right? So 5 comma 5 does not belong to the given relation. Okay, so this is not reflexive. So let's check for the symmetric. So we take a random value. So A equals 3, then B equals, okay, 3 plus 1, that is 4. So now we substitute A equal to 4. So A equal to 4, then B equal to 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So therefore this is not symmetric. Okay, so let's check for the transitive. Okay, so let's substitute A equal to 1. So B equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So 1 comma 2, then we substitute 2. Okay, so A equal to 2, then B equal to 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Okay, so then for A equal to 1, we should get 3, which is not possible because if we substitute 1, we will get 2. So 1 comma 3 does not belong into the relation. So this is not transitive. So coming to fourth question, show that the relation R is defined as R is in the set A comma B such that A less than or equal to B is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Okay, so let's prove it. Okay, so for reflexive, let's take any value. Okay, so let A equal to 2. Okay, so in 2 comma 2, okay, so A less than or equal to B, 2 less than or equal to 2. So for any value of A, okay, it is less than or equal to A. Therefore, it is reflexive. Okay, so let's check for the symmetric. Okay, so for example, we'll take 1 comma 2. So 1 less than or equal to 2. This is true. 2 less than or equal to 1. This is not true. Okay, this is false. Therefore, this is not symmetric. Okay, so let's check for transitive. Okay, so we will check 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 4. Okay, so 2 less than or equal to 3. This is true. 3 less than or equal to 4. This is also true. And 2 less than or equal to 4. So this is also true. Therefore, this is transitive. This is transitive. So the given relation is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Okay. So coming to fifth question, check whether the relation R defined as R equal to in the set A by B such that A less than or equal to B cube is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Okay. So let's check for a reflexive. Okay, so we'll take some value. Okay, so if you take 1 comma 1, of course it satisfies. We'll take 2 comma 2, 2 less than or equal to 2 cube is 8. So we'll take some fractional value. Okay, so 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 less than or equal to 1 by 8. But 1 by 2 is bigger. Okay, so this is bigger. This is smaller. So this is false. So this is not reflexive. Okay. So let's check for the symmetry. So 1 comma 2. So 1 less than or equal to 2 cube. That is 1 less than or equal to 8. This is true. So 2 comma 1. Okay. So 2 less than or equal to 1. So which is false. So this is not symmetric. Okay. So let's check for transitive. We have to take this value that which satisfies this given condition. Okay, by trial and error method. Okay, actually it will take some time. Okay, fine. So let's take it. So 3 less than or equal to. So this is 27 by 8. So 3 less than or equal to 3 8s are 24. So it is greater than 3. Okay. So this is true. Okay. Equal to 27 by 8. So when we are dividing, okay, we are getting 3.3. So this is true. Okay. So next 3 by 2 less than or equal to 6 by 5 whole cube. So 216 by 125. Okay, so this is 1.5. So less than or equal to. So let's divide this. So 216 by 125. So 125 remaining 1. So 9. Okay, so point. How many times we get? 7. Okay, so we'll check for 7 times. 7 5s are 35, 3 7s are 14, 17, 8. Okay, so we will get 1.7. Okay, so while dividing this, so the value of 216 by 125 is 1.7. So this is also true. Okay, so now let's check for 3, 6 by 5. Okay, so 3 less than or equal to 216 by 125. So 3 less than or equal to 1.7. So which is false. So this is not transitive. Thanks guys, like, share, comment and subscribe.